Aloha! Welcome to another edition of Atort Tutorials. Today I'm going to talk about Polarr Photo Editor. It is a really cool app. They have an online version, Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Linux, iOS. So basically anything you have, Android obviously. So you can go and use it. It's very cool. I check it out. I use it all the time. Anyway, let's get into how we can open and import images into the app. And I am on desktop right now, so I can go into the app itself and go to File up on the top menu bar and go to Open. Simply select an image, and it doesn't matter what image, and hit Open, and it will populate. Now, one other way to do it, I can take, say, this image on my desktop right now. It's an NEF raw file. I can simply drag and drop it onto the icon in my dock. So Polarr Photo Editor, drag it on there, opening photo, voila, good to go. So that's another way. So that's two. And I could also go ahead, let me see. This is just a random image of my Joby tripod. And I can drag and drop into the photo editor window, and that will also open your image. So if I drag this NEF, boom, and that's it. So I can go to File, in the top menu bar, Open, and navigate to whatever file you want. I can drag and drop from here into this open window, and I could also drag it onto the dock icon. So those are three easy ways of getting an image into the Polarr Photo Editor app. And then we can talk further in the next tutorial about how we adjust and work on the files. So for now, aloha, check it out. Thanks, bye.